What up, Raptor Riders? Raptor Man here, back at it with another video. Wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of my GoPro setup on the Fox V2 helmet here. This is the Ulanzi case I got from Amazon for about 15 bucks. It's special because it actually has an extra slot on the bottom that houses the GoPro mic adapter. If any of you guys are running the GoPro mic adapter, as you can see, the mic is plugged in and it's run through the insert of the helmet down to the mouthpiece. This is the GoPro Hero 6 Black. I plan on upgrading to the 8 sometime in the near future, or the 9 if that one comes out before I buy one. I think it does 4K 60, I'm pretty sure. It might do more than that, I don't know, I have to look. I usually run it in 1440p wide, 1440p, 120 frames per second, whatever the case may be. But wanted to give you guys a quick idea of what to expect from some future helmet videos that I'm gonna be doing here soon. I set it a little bit further back on the helmet. Good thing for me, I have an extensive line of GoPro attachments. So people like to video from the top. People like Pete and other guys, they do it from the actual bottom of the helmet. Sometimes I prefer to do it from the side. If this mic thing doesn't end up working out, I'll just be able to unplug it and I'll be able to just talk normal and you guys will still be able to hear me, since GoPro microphone is be kind of closer to my mouth. At least in my past videos, it wasn't too much of an issue then. Anyways, this is the rundown of the GoPro setup for a little while, at least until I get another camera and stuff like that. But that's about what you can expect from the handlebar footage. Hopefully it looks good for you guys, and hopefully everyone stays safe out there. We'll see you on the trail. Peace.